Today I show you how you can fix broken of rubber any laptop. Okay, so what we need this type of tube. This is called silicone tube, and this is good and high resistant heat. And just apply it with hand, but I because I thought no any idea, but later I thought if you fill this tube in an injection and then you can easily apply there easily, but it depends on your. I just apply it with hand. Okay, when it dry completely, you can also remove side extra tube side. Okay, alternative you can when you apply here, okay, tube with hand, you can wrap with some sheet, you know wrap sheet. Okay, you can use wrap sheet later. Thank you guys for watch this video. I hope this is helpful, and always carry your laptop and with some cleaning, because here's rubber, because this rubber can damaged when you not clean it daily. Okay, so if you clean daily, it will save. Okay, why my rubber is damaged? Because I don't clean my laptop daily. So you always clean your laptop.